Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Motorola Moto G67 and Galaxy A26. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Moto G67 comes with IP64 rating and the Galaxy A26 comes with IP67 rating. Next compare display features. Galaxy A26 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display and the Moto G67 comes with 6.78 inches AMOLED display. Hardware features. Moto G67 is powered by the MediaTek chipset and the Galaxy A26 comes with Exynos chipset. Camera features. Moto G67 comes with 2 rear cameras and the Galaxy A26 comes with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.